right, we got the Cherokee Arctic Wolf outdoor kitchen, LED lighting. This is a limited. It's got all the options on it. I love this trailer. This floor plan is so popular. Look at this. You get the island kitchen. You get a sofa sleeper, day and night shades, recliners, heated massage seats. Look at this. Oh, 2 ACs. This limited is the way to go. Look how nice. Look how nice this is. 2 bedrooms. This will be a great office or a kid's room. You got the upstairs sleeper. You got the big bedroom, king bed. Look at this closet. And a nice, beautiful bathroom. This is a keeper.